Hello friends, hope you're doing good. And in this video, we are going to solve Oppo Find X Pro or Oppo Find N hotspot not working or hotspot connection problem or any problem related to hotspot. So first of all, just do subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new on this channel. So to solve hotspot problem on your Oppo Find X Pro or Find N, simply first of all, you just need to go to settings. So just go to settings and go to hotspot settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this tutorial.